Welcome to DriverMania Blender the Scene, where I talk about what it took to 3D model the assets for my game. Today, let's talk about the Bugatti that could have been. So when I was thinking about how I can make people download and play my game, I was thinking a Bugatti would be a great way to introduce an audience to the game. So I got into Blender and I modeled something that turned out to be a weird blend between a Bugatti Chiron and a Bugatti Bolide, and I didn't like it at all. I made it green. I couldn't figure out how to give it the iconic Bugatti curve that it has, and I just scrapped it. And then I still wanted to see what it would have been like if I was able to 3D model Bugatti. So I went back into Blender post-launch, and then I ended up making this Bugatti right here. Should I have added that Bugatti that could have been in, or should I add this one in an update?